That felt so good. I might.
Like that.
I'm like.
That was crunchy.
Alright, pick your head up. So I'm gonna put it on, and come back down.
Okay.
I'll stretch you out a few times. As long as that feels okay, we'll just go ahead and do it. Just keep the teeth together. I'm gonna stretch first. Good. Doing okay? Already felt the feet?
No, it feels fine.
Good.
That felt so good. That felt so good.
Wow, that was a good
That was
one.
so. Oh my god, that felt so good. I didn't even know you were gonna do it. Like, I'm just gonna stretch your neck.
That was like perfect though.
That felt so good. Oh my god.
Told you.
I was speechless for a second.
It's amazing, right?
That felt so good. Oh my god. I was literally about to ask you, what do you mean hold my teeth together? But then I was like, just clench your mouth.
Alright, come back down. We'll come through and do the rest of them here, alright?
Okay. I was really nervous.
I know.
I was like getting cold. I was like, oh my god, I'm fucking scared. I'm so scared.
That's why I decided to do it the first time instead of like on 3. Usually people expect it when it's on 3.
I know, I didn't expect it, so I was just like, oh my god, did you just do it?
Yeah, no, that one was like perfect though. Little one here. Shit. Well, like little big one there.
I know.
Yeah, this one's around that same area, a little lower. Alright, let's see this hand here. Let me try.
I might have.
You know, like that.
So gross.
It's nasty. So that's helped me stop.
The little nastiness of it. I'm like, ooh, that was like my ankle.
Alright, deep breath. Down.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
My God.
Dang. That one was crunchy.